governor of Imo State, Hope Uzodinma, has confidently asserted that he will conclude his term as a free individual without fear of being targeted by the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, EFCC, or any other entity. NaijaNews reports that Uzodinma stated this following the Feast of Christ the King Mass at the Government House Chapel in Owerri. Speaking on speculations regarding his years in office as governor, Uzodinma urged anyone possessing evidence of misconduct to come forward. "I will leave office a free man, sleep with my two eyes closed without being afraid of anybody, including the EFCC," he said. He conveyed evidence in the legacy of prosperity, infrastructure, and dignity that his administration is creating for the state. This declaration comes in the wake of the EFCC's apprehension of former Delta State Governor Ifeanyi Okowa on charges of misappropriating funds amounting to 1.3 trillion naira. Meanwhile, the Imo State House of Assembly's recent vote of confidence in Governor Hope Uzodinma has sparked mixed reactions among residents, with many questioning its necessity and relevance. The legislators passed the motion on November 19th, citing the governor's outstanding achievements, but critics argue the lawmakers should focus on addressing present state issues rather than praising the executive arm. Speaking to the Daily Post, retired Principal Osondu Iriaja expressed dissatisfaction, saying, "I don't think passing a vote of confidence is one of the legislative functions of lawmakers. They have much to do rather than reducing their duties to mere praise singing. The lawmakers should focus on delivering effective laws that would address present challenges facing the state, such as bad rural roads and insecurity, and not act as the mouthpiece of the executive branch." Meanwhile, some residents like Ugochukwu Akaga defended the lawmakers, stating it is within their rights to commend the governor while he is fulfilling his legislative duties. Doing so would not make them deviate from their primary responsibility of lawmaking, he said. Other citizens, however, urged the assembly to prioritize urgent issues such as the state's poor road network and ongoing security concerns, particularly with the festive season approaching. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more verified and reliable news stories.